Red already. Should have gone the other way. Look at this. Oh, you gone through red, bro. Oh my god. Fuck. We've actually gone straight. Yeah, and now somebody's struggling to get around because it's a fog. Wow.
Holy shit. Accident, yeah, holy.
Do you want to sit on my shoulder?
No. Holy shit. Holy shit. I think they're waiting for the police to turn up, but holy fucking shit. Please tell me, I mean, yes I am. Ya çizgide duramıyor ya. Çizgide durmayı beceremiyor ya. Ne yapıyorsun?
If we'd been in pot 2 and got a stinking draw, then we'd have been heaping more pressure on ourselves. That seems to be the way it works. So we've done what we can. We look forward now to seeing who we're going to play.
On to tennis, 21-year-old Greek player Stefanos Tsitsipas
Really?
has set down to be dominant team in a thrilling final set tie-break.
Fucking well done.
Winner of the ATP finals in 18 years. And in Formula 1, Red Bull's Max Verstappen was the winner of the Brazilian Grand Prix. World champion Lewis Hamilton had crossed the line in third, but was hit with a penalty.
Come on.
I've got a phone.
You were on the phone before.
I've got my word against yours. Go on.
Yep. Are you going to move or what?
No.
Go on.
No, where are you going?
I'm just staying here. You know, you want to try and make out?
Me on? You know who I am?
Who are you then?
Yeah, I am my politics. My uncle's a very famous politician.
Really? Good, good.
Right.
So that means you can play with your phone.
But don't stop.
You can't touch it on the front. You're in the middle of the road here.
Oh, take it. Take it further.
Come on. Yep.
Hello.
Come on.
Next time. I'm glad I don't have muscles. So I do have to
Yeah, good. Yeah. So you're gonna make threats as well. You're gonna make threats as well. What's this got to do with anything?
You break the law.
I'm not the one breaking the law at the moment. Yeah.
Sorry?
You clearly have a small penis.
Don't cut me off as I'm entering around, but that's really dangerous, okay?
You have a small penis.